All right, so welcome back to another video. We've got the car right here, it's clean, and we are nowhere near London. Yeah, this guy's sending it. But anyways, we are in the Peak District today. And yeah, we're just gonna go for a nice little drive. There's some banging routes ahead. We've got quite a few things planned, a few viewpoints planned and stuff like that. We're gonna get content for TikTok, for Instagram, and obviously POV driving for YouTube. I'm trying a new angle as well. I'm not trying the super view angle anymore, I'm trying the normal angle. But yeah, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, let's go. All right, people, it's time to go. I need to get, what was that? That did not sound good. Oh God, anyways, here we go. Alright, so people, here we go. DSC off, and yeah, enjoy.
Get out the way!
No, I can't lie. Bro, this looks like the map from Black Ops 3. If anyone's ever played Black Ops 3, Redwood. You played Redwood, bro. You know what I'm talking about. Alright, let's check the damage. Splitter? Wait, it's fine. It's fine. The splitter's calm. Solid. Solid, yeah, not gonna lie. This view is crazy, man. What a view. Alright, nothing fell off the car. We're good. The mic is still on as well. We're chilling. This is a view. This is sick. I'm gonna let the car cool down for a sec. Damn, just taking it all in.